Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Tok Lyf. Today we got the beautiful, intelligent, brilliant, hey, Nyagup. Noluthando. She's a law student, and today we want to cover up that career. Welcome, sisters.
Thank you. How are you?
We are doing fantastic. We're doing fantastic, and I'm happy to have you. It's been a minute.
Hey. I've been saying.
Trying to get you, but you've been touching.
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
But then no, all in all, I'm happy to have you here, and thank you for your time. And I know, good Nanje, you came and you had a lot going on.
Please.
Hey, hopefully we can have the moment.
Please. I'm here.
As long yeah. And then just right into it. You're studying law.
Yes.
University
of South Africa. Yes.
And kick things off. Why law?
I think the simplest part of anyone that does law is probably going to be because they love it. It's a very difficult course. I don't think anyone chooses because I didn't know what to do, and then I think for me, let me stop. Personally, I've always wanted to be a lawyer growing up. If you could read my grade 3 speeches in anything that I wanted to do, I always said I wanted to be a lawyer.
You've been that big.
No.
Okay.
No water for now.
Okay.
Yeah, I always thought because I wanted to study law. I wanted to be a lawyer. I wanted to catch the bad guys.
Yeah.
That was the initial idea. No, I'm here for the bad guys.
Exactly.
Because life happens, especially when you grow up in places where crime is sort of normalized, and you think, no man, I want to not normalize it.
Exactly.
Yeah, I want to be that guy. When they see me, they think, it's a washer manch. Yeah.
And then you were like, I'm going for it.
I was like, no, I'm going for it. Definitely. It was definitely a decision that I grew up wanting to make and ended up making.
You ended up making it. And I'm asking myself, okay, is it true that man where they talk, they say that you talk too much?
I don't think that has anything to do with it.
Okay, cool.
I think I was born like that.
Yeah. But then I'm in criminal stuff.
Right?
But then I'm not a lawyer. I'm like, okay, maybe I chose the wrong career.
Might have. There's a possibility. Might have.
Never meaning what?
Oh, okay.
Never. Like literally. Okay, going forward, can you walk me through your typical day, like day-to-day life as a law student?
Okay. As students,
yeah.
With law, there's so many things to learn. Like, you would think that law is straightforward, it's multifaceted. Like, there's so many angles into it. You can, let me think of a typical day or a typical example.
Yeah.
Chair.
Yeah.
A chair. There's laws into buying the chair, there's laws into making the chair, there's laws into selling the chair, there's laws into sitting the chair, there's laws into getting up from the chair. There's so many laws. There's so many laws around it, whether you can buy it or you should. Yes. Whether you are able to buy as the buyer or you can't buy. There's so many things around law, and as a day-to-day person, there's also a constitution at the top of it where it rules basically the whole concept of law. And as a student, you must have time. That's all I can say. For your books. Oh, you can have time for everything else. But if you have time for everything else, you won't have time for the books. Because you can't skim and scan through what you're studying. Yeah, like you can't cram. You can't think,
you have to know it.
Yeah, maybe you can read 2 pages and you can sign the rest. No.
I need to ask you this, since you said contract. Have you ever read the T's and C's?
Yes, I've been doing that my whole life.
Like you read them from A to Z?
There's an uncle of mine, Mangambiza, and he shows up, he would say, Law, I'm surprised she hasn't gone crazy. Since I'm 9, I'm telling my terms and conditions. We're I've always loved reading, and it makes sense. But I'm not a good follower of instructions. I like terms
And how do you fall into this then?
I don't, but look, terms and conditions, I
Yeah.
want to read them and how or what could implicate me if I was wrong.
Yeah.
If I could go wrong
Yeah.
in anything. But you will give me example,
Mm-hmm.
easy mix.
Mm-hmm.
Ne?
Mm-hmm.
I'll read the terms and conditions for the
Yeah.
company
Yeah.
and wow, like, oh, this is cute. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, if I do it after expiring date, this is what's gonna happen. So, okay, now I'm gonna make it. I won't read the how to.
Exactly.
But I've read the important
The
parts.
important
Yes.
parts.
So if I
Okay.
get it wrong, I'm gonna say, oh, you didn't read the how to.
Okay,
Yeah,
now I
yeah,
get you.
yeah,
I
yeah.
get you. So, before we go into deep, I wanted to ask, because like even I've studied IT, right?
Mhm,
And then under IT there are so many departments in IT.
mhm.
So maybe for a person typically asking himself, okay, he's thinking with the law, you're like lawyer,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
then exactly,
That rule.
exactly.
Yeah.
So like in law, what department are you in? Like specific area that you specify, like you
No.
specialize in?
When you study LLB, I think the most fun part about it, now when you study LLB, you learn everything.
Oh, all departments.
Yes, you do contracts, you do criminals, you do companies, you do
Marriage counseling.
yes, you do families, you do children, you do
Everything.
you do everything. You do everything, and we only get to choose like later, but at the same time, not like in the beginning of later. Let's just say now when I finish, I'm supposed to go into in-house.
Yeah.
And when you're in-house, you are in a law firm,
Mhm.
and they can rotate you. You can either be in finance, you can be in litigation. Litigation is, okay, let's explain litigation.
Okay.
Litigation, you can be in, where's my head?
It's everywhere.
Yes, it's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
But there's basically 4, and you can rotate. You
Yeah.
can rotate in that. You can be in banking, you can
Mhm.
be, most of them intertwine somewhere at litigation.
Yeah.
Because litigation is your next step on
Yeah.
what to do
On
with
what to
the
do.
specific problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then now you can have small pointers like did you know it's not all the time where you have a case and you must go to court and face the judge. There's smaller nyana where you can have a mediator and they can, and sometimes most of the time actually it depends on, it's a civil case. No? It depends on how much the case is worth. Let's just say we are Msuwa, and if you are suing me for like 10k, smaller nyana, you can go to small courts.
I will sue for more.
You can go to small courts, and they'll take it serious. But we can talk about it. They'll just give a mediator, it's okay, and then there's something big as property. Yeah. It can be as big as 165k. That's very big, and it goes to bigger.
Yeah.
Exactly. There's like 4 major courts before it gets to the Supreme one.
Oh.
Yes. So it got up like municipal. Then if I don't win, I escalate. If I don't win, I escalate. Yes. But then there's one that you can't go above. You can present the case, and they can decide. The big judges.
Oh.
Yes, they can decide. Guti, we are taking your case, or
no.
we're not taking the case. Yes, you can't present the case yourself.
Yeah, usually it makes sense because now it comes back to, I know you watch even movies of those things. I've saw there's this one from 50 Cent for Life.
Yeah, okay, what?
The guy kept on applying.
Was it?
So was he applying for to be taken to the High Court, like?
Wasn't he applying for
another trial again? I think.
Yes, he was applying for the trial, and it was not supposed. Now, when you apply for that, you basically saying this judge doesn't give me rights.
Oh.
I need another judge so they can share me rights.
So you can do it, like you can.
Yeah, it's very rare, but you can do it. Example, the law is rigid, ne? It's rigid like a box, right?
Yeah.
But you can work around the boxes if you know what to say, ne?
Okay.
Basically, in law,
yeah,
I have to give a statement and prove how I say it's right.
So you need to prove.
Yes, how I say it's right. How they say sexual harassment or rape, it has changed over time. Usually they used to say it's just penetration. Now it includes fingers. Now it includes gays, and because gays didn't have rape rights, if that's rape rights, because it didn't. Lesser statement of rape in the Constitution didn't include how gays were raped.
Okay.
So one guy came in and said, I hear you guys, but it's not there in the picture.
Exactly.
So you are gonna lose if you're a gay person and you say this person raped, because according to the Constitution, that's not what it says. Rape is.
Yeah, it describes rape in a manner of a male and a female.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And it doesn't involve a male and a male or a female and a female.
Yeah,
and now we came to a point whereby there's a possible. It's possible to have a female rape a female.
Yes.
Dang.
There's someone that fought it and it got higher and higher.
Exactly.
I don't know what it is. But it got higher and higher up until someone won the case, and now there's rights.
There's rights.
Yes.
Okay, cool. This is so interesting. There's so many questions now. Okay, there's this part I want to pass through. Like, I once asked you about this. And I want to go back to it again. It's like, in America, they have a judge and there's a jury.
Yes.
But in South Africa, you said there's no jury. And I never noticed that.
We don't have a jury.
How does it work then in South Africa?
The judge is the most supreme in South Africa. We do not care for the jury.
Yeah.
I think our reason, firstly, for jury, I think it has a lot to do with apartheid times. If anyone is seeing this and I'm wrong, they must correct me. It has a lot to do with it has a lot to do with apartheid times because it was very biased.
Okay.
So they did away with it, and now judge became the most supreme, so that any decision that he makes is not biased. And if they think he's wrong, we can take it up to Supreme Court, and from Supreme Court to Concourse, Supreme Court.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it makes sense because like back then in the apartheid days, many black people were getting convicted from like they were innocent but getting convicted.
Everyone was like,
just
they
because
must go.
Exactly.
And because they didn't have a voice, so the jury was no one was black. Ew,
that was sad. Like
crazy.
So now, okay, it makes sense. So now, in this situation, I have to convince the supreme whoever how innocent I am.
Yes. Basically, his name is the opposite. In America, you are guilty until proven innocent. No, you are innocent until you. In our country, you're innocent until proven guilty. In America, you're guilty until proven innocent. Yes. Gapa. I must work your way to guilt. Hence, prosecution is so important. NPA, National Prosecution Act. Yes, I must work very hard to prove that you're guilty. In America, I must work so hard to prove that you're innocent. That's why death row is still a thing in America, and it's very big.
And then, how does it work? The situation about bail, hearing and stuff. Do we have that in South Africa?
Yeah, we do.
Since you're saying that you are innocent until proven guilty, that means you're not gonna go into prison when you know you're innocent.
Yeah.
Until proven guilty. So how does that work?
So the you want to give me trouble. You want to give me trouble.
Okay.
It's fine.
You shouldn't. Okay.
Trying to think of ways that will not criminalize any of us when I say a statement.
So we're gonna get criminalized.
Okay. So they come and arrest you, right?
Yeah.
They can't just arrest you until they have evidence, right? Then when they have this evidence, they take you to a cell. Cell until when you're in a cell, you're allowed to apply for bail because you're allowed to apply for bail until the date of the courts.
Okay.
Yes, then you are going to get
bail hearing.
Yeah, you can get arraigned.
Oh.
Yes. So the first day will be, what are you guys doing here?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we're here for what?
Tell us about yourself.
Basically. So
okay.
what are you guys doing here? Oh, we're here for this. But my client would like to apply for bail. He's a minor. He doesn't even have a passport. He's not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah.
So can he go home and then on the next court date we will adhere to the court rules? Yes, we'll adhere to the court rules. And they're like, oh, okay. And then say, oh no.
I'm not gay.
It's not a first time offender, so he's not going anywhere. He can sit there until we'll until yes, until you're caught dead. Then now you can go to Hosmanpur.
Hey. That's dope. And this thing is so interesting. So now I'm thinking to myself, so that in that situation that means now I'm saying you're guilty then.
Not really. Well
I'm not at home.
Yeah, there's evidence against you.
Okay.
Yes, that's why you are arrested at the end of the day. You are arrested because you are a criminal.
You committed the crime.
Yes, you committed the crime.
We're not sure.
Yeah, the cops act as prosecution. Please,
Exactly.
they're here to arrest you because they are told you're wrong and your fingerprints are here and there's a picture of you. Okay, you are. Let's go.
I see.
Yeah. So that's Kazela.
It's Kazela about it.
It's AI. Otherwise.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is crazy, bro. The thing with the case, but now it contradicts a little bit. Nale saying with it, you're innocent and proven guilty. Because if you're innocent, why should I be locked up?
No,
I understand. But yeah, okay.
You're not locked up.
You're still in.
Yeah,
you're
if
still
you
at
think
home.
about it, you basically you have your friends there, but and most of the time, Angiti, there's so many laws in South Africa. Well, I'll mention one specifically. How Ubuntu is embedded in the constitution of South Africa, right? Now, on first instance, the judge is not going to treat you like a criminal.
Yeah.
He's going to want to hear what's wrong.
Also, in the eyes of the judge, at that particular time and moment, you're not a criminal.
Yes, they want to hear what's wrong because the other guy is saying, "This is what you did. This is what you."
So it's up to whoever paints.
Yes. See, we're going somewhere.
Okay.
Yes. So
okay.
now, if my job as a prosecutor is to prove you guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Beyond Bangabaza, you're going home.
Okay, Bangabaza.
Small doubts, loophole in my statement. You said I was picking up their bodies. But in your statement and the recording, you says I was picking up their bodies. You could speak picking about any bodies. But when I tell theirs because I'm linking you to the crime, there is not linking you to the crime. You could go home. My job.
So that's why they usually repeat statements.
It is extremely important. What you say and how you say it in court is so much important. I think that's why they call themselves learned what. Yeah,
even in Noluthando, because usually they will come. A crime happens. You'll realize that there's a police officer who's gonna come and take a statement.
Yes.
So you should be careful from that particular moment.
From that exact time, because they're gonna probably take the statement 5 times.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your story must
should not contradict.
Yes. Gonna make an example. I won't name.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna make an example. There was a crime that happened around recently.
Yeah.
And then Makhelwane, let's just say bathula istumbu again.
Yeah.
Makhelwane athi hey ngesibona istumbu abafana banga next door. Amshayele umuntu washona.
Yeah.
Cops come.
Okay.
We are coming for those guys. Bazositshela ukuthi what happened. It's very important what you say to those cops. It is so important. It is so important. You could, best case scenario, shut your mouth.
Nah.
Don't say nothing.
Don't say shit.
Don't say. Just say, I want my mom. I want my mom.
Okay.
Just say you want your mom, and there's gonna be a lawyer for you, and then the lawyer must say, but who said it was this child? Because boys get there, cops get there, boys say, hey, Nina, but in Shaiwan, but mind you don't even know that the guy's dead. Now you are giving motive for killing that guy. And you could have just
kept your mouth shut.
Yes, now there's motive because this guy's dead. And yes, I'm shut up. You are the last people to see him alive, so murder. It's not even homicide.
No one must.
It's so important.
Yeah, because now when you say this, whenever these things happen, no wonder it's easier for this Mzansi because we criminalize, like people criminalize themselves.
Yes, you will incriminate. You will incriminate. Your mouth is so dangerous. That's how lawyers make money, though. So.
Yeah, that's why you get into it.
So.
But then, okay, cool, I understand. Yo, even you. So now, now it comes back to a point. Usually in most movies and everything, you realize whenever something happens, the first thing when you call your lawyer, when you call them, they will be like,
"Why did you say?"
And then whatever happens,
from there on,
don't say
tell
nothing.
them you're waiting for me.
Exactly.
I will arrive. I hate courts in movies. I hate them so much because they just do it so wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, and okay, well, it's fun to watch, like the American ones, like SVU, example, SVU, Special Victims Unit. It's nice to watch.
Yeah.
But it gets sad because we don't have SVU in South Africa, and that's kind of sad.
Oh.
We don't have Special Victims Unit in South Africa. A girl is gonna go to police station after she was raped. Police station, it's humbly. I was just victimized now. You are telling me I should
go to
because I'm traumatized. There's so many things in American Special Victims Unit. They will take you to their own hospital. Get your rape kit. Trauma counseling almost same day.
Okay.
We don't have that.
We don't have that in the city.
So you will walk.
You.
You will walk. But hey, and I'm aphelile manje. Aphumile amaveni ayovalisa bambo. Aphumile amaveni ayovalisa. So, mara yabona bas sikunikeza iform.
Yeah.
Bazokunikeza iform. JEA, I think it's the name. No, ngikwatela. But you sign him up with another form, you come back and then civil case. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's why a lot of rape cases are not
solved.
Well, not even solved. Reported because it's
a long.
Yeah, moral down. Man feel like papa to ban. Then you say, oh, it's my partner. But how rape
already say by charge.
Now you're like, okay, clearly this is not going anywhere. Yeah, and it's just sad. It's just sad.
It's very sad. Now I realized, okay, if you could change something in Mzansi, you could change that.
Yeah, I could. Yeah, I want SVU in this country. I want special. Yeah, we do have special victims. Like domestic violence is so big and nothing has been done. Everyone's like, oh, domestic violence must change.
Nobody's doing nothing.
Men must die. Starting petitions, like laws. One thing that must happen: laws must actually be put into place.
Okay.
Because I go to police station, I tell them my partner murdered me, and they can see. Hey, you.
Yeah, evidence is there.
Yeah. Say okay. When did it happen? Yeah. Take a statement. Okay, fine. Take a statement, okay, give it to them. Like, okay, you need to go to the clinic. Yeah, so then they must also get a statement from the clinic. So that when you come back, you won't guess. They will give you a restraining order. So tell this person you must stay away from you.
That's it.
How is the paper going to stop me because I give this person a paper? After giving this person a paper, he's gonna shoot me the next day.
Obviously.
And I had a restraining order. That's all I had. It's quite sad.
Yo, that's sad.
Quite sad, yeah. Like the law is fun, but it's also like when it can get you, it can. There's a lot of downsides. There's a lot of upsides. It's why I was part of a crime scene, and it was so interesting. I even told the cops, I was like, I'm surprised you guys work. Like, this is nice. Literally. Yeah, I was in the car. They were there with the guns, and I'm yo. You guys work.
It sounds fun until you get a certain case.
Yeah, I was like, this is cute.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, I didn't think you guys did your jobs.
And I want to ask you this thing about does it happen? Does it apply in Mzansi? I sit in Klambe, something happens and then you show up and then I'm like, you tell me to, cause you heard something and then you like, give me something in order to protect me, right? So that you can become my lawyer. You're like, give me 10 rand, now I'm your lawyer. Does it happen in Mzansi?
Depends.
Depends.
Yeah. Most of the time, con artists, now.
You know?
Con artists.
Con artist.
Yeah.
So that thing is not supposed to happen.
It can happen because you gave me the money and we technically had a smaller contract. You know, a contract is so probably not just a piece of paper. We can have a virtual contract.
Yeah.
We can have, and he could be our witness.
Whoever's there.
Yeah, whoever's there, he could be. And once there's a witness, I'm very strong now because he was there. Yeah, and he can deny, but he was there.
Exactly. Yeah.
A lot of them do them. There's pro bono cases, right? It's cases that people are like lawyers are allowed to do for free. Yeah. Then there's lawyers that will approach you because that car hit you so bad.
And they see some.
And the government, we're fetching them. They must pay.
They must pay.
Also me, getting paid. There was this lawyer, I can't say his name. He did that, and he ate people's money for days. I think he had 3 of the same Porsches, same color. That's how much money he had. Like, if you know. Rough. And I'm very good at my job, and you can see.
Yeah, you can.
My last client got 4 million. The one before that got 7 million. The one before that. And I'm right. I can show you proof. They got 4 million. They got. And you don't know the actual payout for those people. They probably got 25,000. Yeah, million. And I gave them 5. And I took 20.
Yeah, just because I don't know the million.
Yeah, you don't know, Musanangish. I'm telling you, and you've never seen a million.
I've never seen a million rand, exactly.
Yes. And then for starters, for now, I'm gonna give you 500k. Yeah. 2 months, 3 months, come back. My win, 3 million. Yeah. No, I'm
money.
Alela. I'm telling you.
The deal.
My win, I'm 4 million. Yeah, I will right. I mean, I need tangy posh.
I blew it.
And that's your last one. You won't find me.
And then
now we have a contract. I will make a contract with you. I'm giving you an amount of 7 million, but I will split it into these amounts, and you will sign it, and you'll agree, and we are good. That contract very binding. And
what's crazy is that we usually don't read.
Oh no, like food and like contract.
We don't read those contracts exactly.
Please read the contract. Read it. It's so important. Please read it. Even if it's just small.
Even the date at the end.
Even that one that you signed there, Pep. But it's for a card. It's a read it. Please read it. Read it because I'm gonna make an example of funeral cover. There's a funeral cover in Standard Bank. People are paying for that funeral cover.
Yeah.
It's good, but people are not reading what it says.
Exactly.
This man, his father died, and he said, people mustn't worry. His father is covered in Standard Bank.
Yeah.
People are like, we can't you, but hey, you have good money. No one must stress. Went to Standard Bank. Standard Bank, he says, limited to only accidental. He didn't die in an accident. And he's been paying. Hey, says accidental payout, not natural causes. In his right mind, ne?
Yeah.
And what's in natural causes? It has you will pay a steeper amount because that's very likely to happen.
Exactly.
Yes. That was what's
accidental.
This is the man. He got nothing.
Yo.
And the bank is not wrong.
It's not wrong,
because they gave you the paper to sign.
And
they showed you sign here, you read here, and you sign here. You read, and they make sure signatures at the bottom. It's not at the top, so you don't read. No, it's at the bottom, so you
can read it.
Thank you.
Exactly. Phew.
Contracts are very important.
It's very important to read these things.
It's so binding. People take it so lightly. It's so binding.
And ever since we spoke, I started reading, like, even when I buy a phone, I read.
Don't play yourself.
like literally, I read.
Yourself.
Like, literally. And then it makes sense because now you realize at the end of the day you come back, you want to claim something, you wanna sue or wanna do whatsoever, you wanna complain.
But did
Did you read?
There's a clause there. 2.3. What does it say? You're like, oh, but in case there's water in your phone, you're like, oh, but I didn't drop it in water.
Drop it in water.
It's You're like, oh, okay.
And the problem is that they will usually, like, they will summarize the points we wish to hear.
Oh, yes. Oh, people are allowed to do that, eh?
Yeah.
They are very much allowed to do
They
that.
will summarize the points we wish to hear, and then after that, and then you like, yo, go put 5,000, or go put in case of an exactly. And then now you come back and realize you didn't read the whole thing, and you're like, hey, did you read bullet numbers 1111?
There was a thing on Vodacom, alleged. Married me here. But it happened to me. So,
allegedly.
but I'm a victim. So, when your phone is on contract, right?
Yeah.
They don't tell you with the SIM card, don't take it out 7 times or something. Because they don't tell you with you should not be constantly taking out your SIM card in the phone. Because that's the phone that it's linked to. Oh, when sometimes you take it out in another phone, you put it in the router. You lose your phone, go claim. But your phone's probably not lost. You probably gave it away. But sometimes you take it out of the SIM card, and it's there on the contract. That you are not supposed to take out your SIM card. But you guys didn't tell us that. No, we didn't think we should because it's on the paper.
It's on the paper.
Did you not read the paper? Like, go on.
Now you admit you admit it.
Victim. Victimize you. Life will victimize you.
Yo. Yeah, this is fascinating.
And apparently there was this other contract thingy related to what you guys are talking about. That it was recently trending on TikTok. Apparently, NSFAS has a claw now that is very, very dark. So let's say you apply for NSFAS and then accepts you, Funda 2 years, and then I'll complete the degree. You wanna move abroad.
Yeah.
The moment you get a visa and you want to travel to the other country, you have to pay NSFAS full amount, same day, like the day you're at the airport.
That means
you're not allowed to travel.
Exactly.
You're not allowed to travel.
Yo.
It's crazy.
Hey, it's crazy out here. Hey, it's crazy.
So you have to stay in the country for the amount of years that you were actually studying.
Yeah,
Yeah. I hear them though.
But still.
Hear me out. I hear them though. Because you said we must give you money.
Yeah.
For 4 years.
Exactly.
Now you want to go.
But what if there's an opportunity abroad?
But what about our money?
We'll pay you back.
Yeah, but no.
What about our money?
I mean, it's not like I'm gone forever.
I don't know that.
You have the money to go abroad.
I don't know that.
Yeah.
You can be a new
Shut up. You have the money to go abroad.
So you can just give me this money.
Give me the money
now.
And then where will I go? How will I go?
What are
Send
you
go
doing? Now you must make a plan again. You can go and disappear and it might not trace you. My only clause was that girl that stole the money. Okay, she didn't. They gave her the money. As Mamni they
gave her the money.
They gave her the money, but as a upstanding citizen of the country, she was supposed to report it. There is. You've never even had. You have never even had 500,000. Please.
We have no
billion.
Send it back.
Please, go to the bank. Go to the bank and ask. Yeah, what if she went to the bank and they said, my sister, we don't know, you can box it.
Oh, then she can go forward with it.
Then she can go for it because at the end of the day, I consulted with my bank.
But then it's an NSFAS. Where are you going to consult with it?
NSFAS. Wait.
Oh, yeah. You can go to NSFAS office.
Billion? What do I do?
But okay, yo. Damn, bro.
First of all, you have never received 500,000 billion.
Yeah, 500,000, 10,000.
Please. It's just sad that she was like a scapegoat. Yeah, of somebody.
Yeah.
we underdog a mistake, which was not a mistake because the money went somewhere else. It still left at the end of the day.
Exactly.
It was supposed to.
It was supposed to.
Yes, it still left at the end of the day.
But what I think is that maybe they didn't go on herself straight to it, because if they started to be like, hey, it was gonna raise suspicions.
Right, it was going to raise a few alarms here and there,
Exactly.
but by the time the alarms are raised, the girl is famous for getting 1 million.
They're going to
Yes,
the
the girl is
7
famous
July and
for
everything.
so many waves.
Did she get out?
Oh no, I think she was even this year. I think she got her like actually arrested this year.
X, Malcolm X.
Yeah.
South African Malcolm
Tried,
X.
yeah.
He tried paying a certain amount for it. I think I'm gonna post that
I don't think because he has so much money.
Yeah,
He popped up at our campus one day.
Really?
I remember. I'm so sad. It kills me. Like
You were not there.
yo, hear me out. I don't like taking the journey to campus now. I like walking. I'm okay alone now. Together, my friend's like, tell you gonna be late. Let's go. I'm like, I'm not going on the bus today. She's like, hey, okay, fine. Actually, I'm not gonna ask you. I walk, and I didn't feel like going to campus that day. Halfway, I'm like, actually, let me just get on the bus because I don't feel like going. Maybe it's so chicken, so let me not because I'm capable.
Yeah.
Okay, I get on the bus. The bus is taking forever to be full. I'm like, I should just go home and sleep.
Exactly.
I get off the bus, man. No, I go to dining hall. I fetch breakfast to go to my room. I go to my room. 30 minutes late. It's trending. On that very bus. Gay people, man. I was like, this other girl laughed at me so bad. She was like, Tanda, you didn't get it. I was like, Mr. X, say, where are you going next on the campus? I'm going to school today. That very bus that I got off, actually got on that bus. There was a video even, it's trending.
Yo, ngiyayikhumbula video lawa
Giving us money on the bus. If I did it, is it because I'm not going to school? I don't know. And I go to school on other days.
Your laziness got to you that day.
I remember. I will never forget that day.
And then
there was a day he was paying for people's tuitions. He was literally on campus. Then he was paying for people's tuitions on that day. It's a very nice thing, even though it's a little dodge, but I think it's a very nice thing.
I heard the reason behind people, like these rich people doing these things, a charity and stuff like that, is to like prevent tax.
Wow. Tax is basically gives money. And first, I'm not incriminating myself. Yeah. Basically, it's me saying I bought this thing. Is it yours? Oh, yeah. Can you sell it for me for 800,000? And you're like, oh, where do I have so much money? Me, I don't know, in my account. Yeah, and giving it to you for 800,000. Oh yeah, you're selling it to... Okay, wait, let me make the perfect example.
Yeah. Okay.
There at the cruise, ne? There's a specific place you buy alcohol for 160, ne?
Yeah.
When you buy the alcohol for 160, the money that you pay 160, ne?
Yeah.
But on their slip,
Yeah.
it's gonna say you bought alcohol with 600.
600. Yeah.
Yeah. So that when it's in their when the money is in their account, they put it there.
Yeah.
They can account for it.
Can
Oh, this girl bought alcohol. But if they ask, you're gonna think, but I bought for 120. Why is it 600 rand?
Yeah.
That day it's it. Now, Malcolm X giving money. So many reasons around why I think it's dodge. Okay, at the end of the day, I always tell myself maybe I'm not that rich to give people money. So maybe not.
Yeah, man. Okay, so what's the most interesting or challenging case you have? Amaranje, you are not in that situation.
I've read.
You've read a case. Tell us about that one that was challenging. You saw, okay, this one was challenging case you read about.
Well, there's so many.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, at first, that real didn't come case, right?
Mm.
It took me a while it took me a long while to understand the difference between like murder and culpable homicide.
Okay.
How, Tina, we think, Rena,
Mm.
what's his name? Oscar.
Oscar. Mm.
You murdered.
Big six.
You umbulele,
Mhm.
cold-blooded.
Mhm.
What's good? Angali. I
Mhm.
shot her.
Yeah.
But I didn't kill. Like, my intention was not to kill the girl.
Okay.
She died, obvious, because I thought Quebec was in the house.
In the house, is it?
Now, murder, you kill with intent.
Mm-hmm.
Murder is me beating you.
Because
we are the car and I wanted you to die.
Mm-hmm.
Now, couple homicide is me killing you still, but I thought it's not you.
It does not exactly. Like I'm accidentally.
So that whole thing, it changed my whole. I was like, so you can kill someone by mistake.
Yo.
And okay, you're still gonna get like charged, but like not like about.
Mm-hmm.
The second one was that one that I spoke about, that rape one.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
You didn't know exactly.
People can change laws.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was like, hey. Game.
Exactly.
You can rig it.
You can rig it.
Yes,
exactly.
yes. It was
Okay.
What about Lay? Would see if they can prove or you were not right in the head?
Hey.
Yeah.
I still think those are the most interesting cases. And I wish to go on. Well, I've read most of them. With insanity, you must prove prior that you were.
What? Before the man?
Yeah.
Before the man.
You can't be crazy after.
What?
Can't be crazy after.
How are you gonna prove?
I don't know. So hence they say, they've been seeing a psychologist since they were 2, or since they were 4, because they were not told you're seeing a psychologist because you just have like attention problems. But obviously
ADHD.
Yeah,
Exactly.
don't say that. So you can say, they've been seeing this doctor for this, but for quite a long time. So intention to kill was like not malicious, but it was small because I was not in the right mind. So the proof must be there. You can't be crazy after our sister.
What if the person is actually crazy, but
Since when?
they never like the family never took any serious steps towards actually helping the person's mental health? The person like you can actually tell them that it's fine.
Okay, I know with they call them something tests.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a test that they do, right? And brainwaves are measured. You know, there's a lot of things that in that case. And then if they can say, that's all right. I know someone. Well, this case is very close to me. It's a relative of mine. He killed his dad, and we all are saying surely it's crazy. And I was hoping that his lawyer is going to say that he's crazy at the end of the day, but his dad died, and in a very terrible way. I think he even pulled his eyes out. Now, prior to him killing his dad, there were a lot of crazy acts that he was doing or saying, right?
Yeah.
But he wasn't seeing someone about it. Well, he saw a person once, and then the person said he's fine.
He's fine.
Yeah, so there's gonna come testimony, would see, or someone must testify, because he wasn't like this, but he was saying weird stuff for quite some time. He was doing, and then they got into his room to look for evidence. Oh no, before this thing actually happened, he was almost losing his mind, and now he's gone, and now there's a good chance of him going to Vescopis instead of Josimampuro.
Okay.
But what's the use though? Because you genuinely committed, like you committed murder. Why are they putting you, even though they can prove or you can prove that you are not mentally sane? Why are they putting you in Vescopis or something? Why are they putting you there?
Because when this is psychology. So when you are not okay upstairs, the major thing that they do is not necessarily rehab, because jail is considered a rehabilitation center. You sit there and you think about your sins.
You think about what you've done.
Yes, you will clean the yard, but every day you think about what you have done. They are not trying to not make you think about it or take it to a happy place.
They want you to face it.
Yeah, they don't want to fix you in a way.
Yeah.
Yes. I almost called it wrong. In Fescopis, they don't rehabilitate you per se, but most of them they're there to try to understand your mind and what is actually wrong with your yes. If they make it such an interesting thing that they will try to fix you. You will go on medication until you have a normal train of thought for a normal person. And then, because most of the time crazy people cannot even atone for their how you as a normal person can never have a relationship with a person who is not mentally stable, even if it's female according to you, but they do not have the mental capacity to speak in well for themselves. Even if at I'm making no
wonder this thing over okay.
They will always have guardians. Yes.
Yeah, when you sleep with a minor, it's rape because that person cannot. Okay, makes sense.
Yes.
So now, okay, let's get out of it, Ngulama. Hey, we've been too deep with this one. Yo, okay. Let's come back to this one. Yeah, today many people want to know about, because there's this law now that is being implemented.
Okay.
Marriage.
Oh.
You know those ones.
So nice.
Today, like, okay, they say automatically when you get married, it's within community of property. So, let's say now,
it's automatically, but
not exactly automatically.
Yeah.
Like, okay, that means I heard wrong. Maybe everyone on TikTok, she would say that. She's like,
lawyers.
Yeah.
Take your money, those people. Here's my thing.
Okay, so explaining.
If you pay lower for me without going to court and sign, we are automatically. So the big thing here is lobola.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So now, if it says lobola, we cannot go and sign out of community of property. We can't, because it already said communal.
So it's
you know how us blacks we like things. We said I must put our laws in here. So they did that. They took them and implemented them. They're so important because we see to plainly. Not independent women. There's no independent women. So yes, so we are there. We putting it together. In Lobola, you're telling my family that you're buying me, and this is me getting me.
Yeah.
Outside of that's why it's important for people to sign first what they want, and then Lobola is gonna come after. Yes, because literally it's a contract. Marriage contract.
So how does a prenup work exactly?
Prenup works when we sign, we discuss that we want to get married. Here's how we're going to get married. We're going to marriage counselor. This is how we want our marriage to be. So prenup is going to be drawn out of community of property or smaller nyana.
Okay.
Yeah, because it can be adjusted to what you want.
Oh, so now we can discuss it and be like, okay, this can be ours. Yeah. This can be mine.
Yes, we can. Hear me out. Money that we made before we got married can be you and you. Can be separated. Money that we make in the marriage can be us.
That one I can agree to.
Yeah, you see, it makes sense.
Now. Yeah.
It's cool.
So now that means even the business that I own.
Yeah, before we got married, that's still yours.
That's mine.
Yes.
And then
it's a share. Must divorce.
Why is it that now when it comes to a situation whereby now a man loses things, he loses a lot, Like the house has to go to the woman.
No, because he just agrees.
Oh, it's just because he
He
agrees.
just agrees. You can find it.
You can find it.
Yeah, you can. Because you are supposed to get an equal share at the end of the day.
Oh.
Yeah, so when you
okay.
think, oh, my number is halal. Oh no, you can have the house, but I want the car.
I want the
Yeah,
BMW.
yeah, I want the, you can have.
Mm.
Like plan is so nice because you can add your own little clauses there.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's an American
Oh.
who got married a long time ago, and they made a clause in the prenup. It's no cheating. If you cheat, you're going to pay me this much, and this is what you're going to pay for the kids. And me, I'm just going to get paid for being your ex, basically.
Yo.
I can't
Not this man cheating.
You.
Not this man cheating.
So he gets paid.
The man cheated. This girl is set for life.
You triggered the loan down the bed.
Yeah, you did what you
The
said
clause.
you don't do in the prenup.
So the prenup says,
Whoever cheats
yeah,
pays
you're gonna pay the other
other
person
one. Yes, till death.
to us apart.
Yes, thank you very much.
We got divorced,
Yeah.
but then now you're still paying me.
I don't think if there's one thing that lawyers do all the time, and I really want them to do it, always encourage people not to get married in community of property. Like a lot of things could happen. Like you could bankrupt, and if you're bankrupt, we are bankrupt. Like yes, there's so just don't get married in community. Like protect assets. Put them outside of your marriage.
Yeah,
So if something happens to you, let's say you have kids outside of marriage, and yeah, it's bad, but they don't do anything. So at the end of the day, if you die, they must also like out of community is really so important, guys. Don't it's not wrong to be in love.
Mara,
No, it's not wrong.
it's not wrong.
Just relax. Yes, please.
But then you gotta first make the women understand it.
Oh yeah, hey.
Because it's tough for women to understand that
It's
part.
very tough. But yeah, I want to say it's not, but I would be lying. Because we have a range of women. As much as we have a range of men, there's women who understand the assets must be protected. Other women say, why are you putting assets from me?
Can't you just a divorce?
Why?
You never know.
Never know. But I don't know. Good luck, guys.
What good luck, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Fun facts you can share in the last few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, they have not realized or have not paid attention to.
Fun fact that I can share.
Yeah.
Wait, before we get to the fun fact,
Yeah.
last question.
Okay.
Regarding back to Yama laws and stuff. So so we once touched in this episode we did touch on Yama movies and I wanna debunk something. I don't remember the name of the movie. I think it was 21 Jump Street or something.
Yeah.
But there was a movie whereby the cops were just still amateurs or something, and then they caught a drug something, someone who's selling drugs.
Yeah.
After catching him, they were supposed to read him his rights.
Yes.
Yeah.
They did not read the rights properly.
I could go scot-free for that.
Literally after the whole scene ended up and then the criminal walked scot-free. Is that actually true, man?
Yes. Evidence. They are supposed. First of all, you're supposed
South
to see
Africa.
your badge.
Uh-huh.
Yes. I'm supposed to see your badge. Me, you won't arrest me if I don't see your badge, and you must tell me your name. You must tell me your name.
Yeah.
And you must tell me what I'm getting arrested for. And then tell me my rights. Tell me I'm supposed to
them.
Yes, they train for these things.
You must sing them for me.
Please, you are under arrest. Your rights. Hey, right to a lawyer. They must say you have a right to shut your mouth. They must tell you. It's very important because you will sing, and that's exactly what they want. After, you know how they must tell you have a right to an attorney, you have a right to a phone call. And it's very important that you remember that you have a right to an attorney, because when you remember that you have a right to an attorney, you will remember that I can shut my mouth, man. I can wait for that guy.
Yeah, I can wait.
Yeah, I can wait. But if you don't remember, you will sing and then say, "Oh, but we told him he has a right to it. He just don't want to use it. He just don't want to use it." If you arrest me, and I keep asking you your name, and you don't tell me, when I get caught, I'll tell them you didn't tell me your name. So
But what if they lie and back each other up and be like, no, we did say
They
that.
can. They very much can.
They can lie.
They very much can lie. It's very much the same way how they can put your fingerprints anywhere. You can get detained for things you don't know. No, they very much can. It's just that.
That's why we should shoot very well.
Yeah, it's good. Even though they will act. But please protect yourself.
So you have a right to take a video of whatever's happening.
Yeah, and he must say his name. Say, hey, ma'am, I hear you are arresting me.
What's your
But
name?
you're benched, man.
I
I can't see it. Please shine it here. I'm agreeing with you. I'm under arrest. What else did you say? Yeah.
So
For what?
exactly.
Just arrest.
Mm.
Not going
I'm not going anywhere.
And then now they can put force on you. Then you can
Love
sue
more
them.
on.
Get money. Put your hands on me, officer.
Exactly. So you said if you don't see the badge, you can walk.
That's how people get scammed. That's how these hijackers are doing the thing.
Oh.
Hijack would go in from police, langi movie. You can see it's recent police. How to go bulletproof. You stop, God, how
I cannot badge.
we are fetching your car. Oh, thank you very much.
Phew. Yeah, nee, that's it. That's one fun fact.
And
You just
yes,
create.
one fun fact, yes.
That's one fun fact.
Yes,
You just,
yes.
Yo, that's a good point you came up with.
Yeah.
Another one you got. This one or two. Yo. Hey, it's fun, you know.
This is so fun.
Okay, if you could say that, what advice would you give someone to consider a career in law?
Prepare to have your heart broken.
Huh?
Yes, well, I'm talking in general because the law relax,
Okay.
guys. Talking in general
Okay.
because it's really not like roses and I think I'm sticking to it and I stuck to it because I really love it. Like there's upsides and then there's downsides. Like, why would you not protect? Why would you not do this? And got the access again, song.
Yeah.
And the law is for everyone. Prepare to do things that you don't like. Okay, you know a criminal can go scot-free.
Okay.
And you know he did it. You
Like,
know that this guy
He did it.
shot that person and he said,
But you can let him walk free.
oh, you can let him walk free because he has a very good alibi. And me, I will show you pictures that this person was with me. This one was with me. And okay, maybe pictures can be like, because you can see the dates and all that, but I can swear that this person was with me and the car that he uses, he was in the house. He was with me. And something as typical as oh, wait, I just thought of a fun fact.
Yeah.
So, you know almost when you're on your deathbed,
Yeah.
right? And I tell you, you can kill me. And we sign a contract. You can get arrested.
How?
Oh, they're still killing me.
It's a contract, man.
What are you signing?
But what is the act that you're doing?
Murder.
Thank you very much.
It's just
You signed it.
Yeah, anyone uthi
How
lalela
to kill him.
siyosigna and sivumelene listen judge sivumelene wangicela. I was taking them out of the misery, sure, but the person is dead and you have constitution says you have no right to take a life. I don't care who you are,
Even a dog.
even by mistake. Exactly, even a dog, you have no right to take a life.
That's why they require a family member to do it instead, like to switch off the machine.
Yes, but you cannot straight just say. And
Oh,
there must be a signature.
Yeah.
Like it's so important, and how you can't use Tipex on a contract.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, you can't use Tipex on a contract.
Yeah.
You can use a pencil on a
Contract.
Yeah, on the witness is very important. Sometimes, well, almost all the time, when you witness, you can't be a beneficiary of my money because you know what you're doing.
Oh, I witness
Why you
cannot
want
be
my money?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very fun.
That's so much fun. I think I'm gonna become a lawyer.
Yeah, I think you should.
Yes,
I think you should. Lapo, I can guarantee you now, we probably even haven't touched base on anything lawyerish.
So, do you read this constitutional laws and everything?
You must.
You know them right now. You have to be able to recite them.
Don't test me, please.
No, I'm not gonna test you, but I'm just saying, with let's say as a fully qualified,
Yeah.
that you should be able to recite them all.
Well, not really. You shouldn't be able to fully recite them, but you must know what they're talking about, and you must know what this law says. Even if you don't say it word for word, but you must be able to. Let's just say the whole point of exam is how you understand what they're saying, and not according to your knowledge, but according to what the Constitution actually says.
Yeah. Because the reason I'm saying that is because I can see, as you can see today, I don't know how much minutes we have left. Wrap up.
Yeah.
Just few seconds then. Hey, this thing is happening in my clinic, preventing foreigners, and then the president comes out and be like, we can't prevent them from.
Why, President?
What? So it's possible that turning like.
Oh, he can turn it into a law.
So.
But there's also very good grounds to fight it, because Constitution in South Africa is everyone has a right to healthcare. It doesn't say all South Africans.
It says
everyone. It's everybody. And I'm here in the country, and please call me unless
everybody,
you see I'm not a human being.
Oh, yeah. And we need a round 2, a second coming for this one. The time wasn't enough, but then thank you for coming. That was the most information I've ever received.
I needed it today.
Sister, thank you for coming in. Check us next time for the second coming. I don't know when he's gonna come back.
Soon.
But then soon enough. Thank you for watching. This is Let's Talk Live. Good night. Hey.